So to give you an update, Amy and Nicole were prepping these columns and primed 3 of them yesterday. And they're looking really good. I had to put an extender up here because we noticed the end column was very wet, and I'm pretty sure it was just dripping right on it. So she's prepping now. We got this, we put a diamond in here because I had a joint there that was pretty bad. So I got the idea of a diamond and we carried it through to each of them. Got some extra diamonds here. So that'll look good. I think it's a cool design feature. Pick up on the diamonds up above, which you can't see from here. So we also have a so we've been pulling out the floorboards from the garage, cleaning them off and taking the nails out and just laying them down to get an idea where we can use them. And we don't have enough, so I went in the attic and there was some laying there. And plus the attic floor was kind of screwed up anyway, so I'd like to take some up and redo them. And I can use other boards there. So I'm going to grab a few of them to fill in here. They're the same type. I think it's a yellow pine, tongue and groove, 4-inch wide. So we're starting to nail them in, and we're going to keep going on this and try to get out all the way to here. And then we have some other patch areas we're going to have to do, but we're most likely not going to get to them today. Get as much of this done as we can. Then we can start on this ceiling, which looks really bad once we get this floor in. Okay, back to work.